Hello, everyone. This is part of the assignment for today. Here was today's assignment we did. And so we have our notes here. We have mitosis, the process in which body cells duplicate. We have body cells that are constantly duplicating. One parent cell goes through these 5 phases: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. And they go through this in a matter of hours. Interphase being the first, and then prophase, and so on in sequence. Things are happening inside the nucleus of the cell. These are the chromosomes full of DNA that are the traits that we have in our body. As you read through these, if you're distance learners, you will see how cells actually divide and duplicate. If we get a cut on our hand, right, or on our leg or on our body, or something needs to heal inside of us, the cells will duplicate and duplicate until our cut is healed. That's one of the best ways of describing it. We see that. Those things are happening inside of our body as well. Bones. The bones, bone marrow, they're making blood cells for us. Things are happening all through our body. So these are the steps for mitosis, duplicating of body cells. Here is the final cytokinesis, where the 2 cells finally split and divide, and we got 2 what they call daughter cells. 2 daughter cells. Final event of the cell division cycle, and its completion results into 2 daughter cells. So now we have 2, and it goes on and on. So each cell is happening all the time. So wherever our body needs those, it's taking place. Our skin is duplicating all the time. Our dead skin cells are falling off. We're getting new skin cells all the time. So today's assignment was on mitosis. Here we had, I wanted you to go through and, oh, that isn't coming out for me right now. There it is. So today's assignment was to see this page here, this worksheet, see the pictures, and then try to match them with each stage of mitosis. Doing that by looking at this particular diagram, and you could take it slowly and to do your very best at matching those different phases to the pictures. That was what I wanted you to do. Kind of an exploration, if you will. Okay? All right. So now, today, what we're going to do is we're going to go one step further. We're going to talk about not only the duplicating of our body cells, but also of our reproduction cells. So we have this for today. I want you to go through this, go through it slow, and as it loads, I will show you what you should do. So here are the different things. We call it the lab room, mitosis, meiosis, okay? And you're going to watch it, read it, explore it, organize it, illustrate it, assess it. So as you go through this, you are going to, you see your answers over here. You're going to watch this, and then you are going to write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it says, write a true statement about cells after they go through the process of mitosis. So after they go through process of mitosis, you're going to write over here what your explanation is. How is meiosis different from mitosis? Meiosis is the duplication of our reproductive cells, and you would have seen that in here. So you are going to answer this. Meiosis is different from mitosis because, and then what are two main types of cells and where are they found in the human body? And the two main types of cells are, and you will find that in the video. As you go through this, you continue down through the lab, you read this, and then you answer here. Again, read this, and you answer here. Do a good job. Don't hurry through it. No reason to hurry. Get all the way through and done. Take a picture of it, and then put it on for the assignment. Attach it to this assignment. So that is your assignment for today, and it will be due Monday. The in school, we have about a half an hour, and we will see how far we can get. We may not get all the way through, so take your time with it. Understand the difference between mitosis and meiosis. They are both cell duplicating processes. Mitosis is for the body cells. Meiosis is for the reproductive cells. Okay, so you go through this. It's should be self-explanatory. As you read through it, you just work down. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, please ask. We'll be working on this for Friday and possibly part of Monday. Okay, we'll see you later.